All right, guys, we got everything taken out of the box. As y'all see, DEWALLIE was not playing. I mean, they gave you dog tags to engrave on. These right here are like aluminum business cards, kind of. They front and back painted. Cool. You hear that? Yeah, real metal. I mean, hard metal. Some nice stuff. My goodness. And if you look here, they got limit switches. Man, they got limits. They got limit switches. I'm in love. Look, nicely packaged. All right, let's do a little YouTube magic. See? So magical. All right, let's check this thing out. All right, so you got your USBs up top, power, on and off switch. Come around to the side of that guy, limit switch, stepper motor. Come over here to the top, stepper motor down here on the side, down here. There we go. Limit switch, laser. Woo. Knob to go adjust it up and down. Pretty cool function. There we go, man. We got to put together. Now we got to see what she can do. Let's find out. All right, guys, for you all out there who want to see the specs of the DEWALLIE, here they go. Model LA400, input 12 volts, rated power 50 watts. We'll have to test that. Laser module LA2. Equipment size, and then you got your 400 by 400 cutting area or engraving area. All right, y'all, that's enough playing. Let's get to work. All right, guys, for our first test for the DEWALLIE, we're gonna be trying to engrave and cut out a Jordan 4. So this is how we're gonna do it. I found this image on Google. I just copied the image and pasted it into Lightburn. All right, so let's see if she pops right out. Okay, let's see if she pops out. And boom, gotta put a little pressure on her. Pops right out. Look at that. That's nice. All right, guys, so it also came with some construction paper. I changed the cutout to 900 speed. I kept it at 70% power. And for the engraving portion of the shoe, I sped it up to 3600 and I left it at 60%. All right, guys, let's see. Look at that. Look at that.